Hi YouTube, just fitted a ferro rod to my Swiss Army knife. You see this case on the 18th of May. I've put it on my channel, but I had to cut all the stitching out today, and then I got a piece of new leather, stitched it, and then I've stitched it to this case. There's my Swiss Army knife. There's a striker. There's the ferro rod, just that thin strip there. Then this is all magnesium. So yeah. Stick that on the back. Then when this ferro rod magnesium gets thinner, so you don't lose it, that'll never come off there now. But yeah, I dyed it as well, dark brown. Good job done. Re-stitched it all back up. But I was going to use this one, but it's a bit long really, so I've just gone with this. I believe it's about 7 mil diameter. At a push I'll probably get an 8 mil in there. But yeah. Thanks for watching.